you're looking for a video editing app that is ready to use, easy to understand and use, this video is for you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Momo Merrily. If you are new, don't be a stranger, click that subscribe button and join the fam. So guys, in this video we'll be talking about the best video editing apps for your Android and iOS. Yes, I said it, both iOS and Android. Some of these apps are totally free, while a few of them are paid apps. So I'm just gonna list them and tell you which ones are free and paid. Let's start with KineMaster. KineMaster is a paid app, but it also has a free version. But the free version has the KineMaster watermark, which if you are not bothered about it, you can use, but it's always better to pay, so you can get the one that does not have the watermark, and then you can do a lot of things on it. I forgot to mention, KineMaster works for both iOS and Android. Similar to KineMaster, we have Powerdirector. Powerdirector is similar to KineMaster with the watermark, and also a paid app. It is really amazing. It comes with a lot of effects, stickers that you will find very useful, but unfortunately those stickers have to be paid for, like the really good ones. Something about all these paid apps is the really good effects and stickers, you have to pay for it. So that's why I believe if it's a paid app, it's best for you to pay for it and enjoy it to the maximum. Even though the KineMaster interface is kind of easy, there are easier ones like iMovie. Unfortunately, iMovie works for only iOS users. It's easily downloaded from the App Store and it works magic. Even though there are little restrictions and there are some things you can't do on it, but you can do basic editing on your iMovie. I used iMovie for a very long time before I ported to other apps, and it is totally free, so why not? Then we have Vilo. Vilo is a very easy app for beginners, same as the iMovies. But KineMaster and Powerdirector, well, it's also easy, but looking at the interface, it looks a lot more difficult than the iMovie. Vilo is very easy to use. I use it mostly for my vlogs because you get to use a lot of stickers and you can doodle on it, which is very good. I downloaded Vilo when I was looking for a way to subtitle my vlogs, and it really helped. Also, it works for both Android and iOS, so that's a plus. Then we have CapCut. CapCut is very, very easy. Emphasis on the very. I fell in love with it immediately I immediately I downloaded it, and I've been using it ever since, mostly for my YouTube shorts, reels and TikTok video. It works practically the same as Vilo, and it comes with a lot of effects and stickers. InShot also works same as CapCut and Vilo, which I would say they basically perform the same functions. I know a lot of people that use InShot to edit their YouTube videos, which comes out really nice. Bear in mind, all these apps I'm talking about all export in 4K, so you can get any one of them and they will practically do the same work. The last video app I'm going to be talking about is Luma Fusion. Luma Fusion is also a paid app, but it's a very professional app. Unlike a lot of the ones I already mentioned, it's more compared to the likes of the Premiere Pro or the Final Cut Pro, but it is only used for mobile phones or iPads. Unfortunately, it is not available for Androids now, but there's some speculation about it coming to Android very soon. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. So these are the best video editing apps for your phone, and I think you should download a couple and try them and decide for yourself which one you would prefer. So guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.